Right, we're looking at summing arithmetic series here, and there's a formula you kind of need to remember because you're not given it. And this is on the IGCSE, I should add. And you've got one at the front as well. Now, I'm going to use the information here. It says the third term of an arithmetic sequence is 19. Now, the third term, so how it's normally done is U3, the third term, all right, is A, the first term in the sequence, plus n minus 1 times the difference between each term, and we're told that that equals 19. Okay, so essentially that's that one done, and I'll do the second one in a different colour because the second one I'm going to do here. Alright, now this is where I can use the formula at the front. So we've got the summing formula, so sum of the first 10 equals n over 2, which in this case is 10 over 2, 2 lots of the first term, plus n minus 1 times the difference. There we go, and we're told that equals 290. And so therefore we're going to get a couple of equations here where we can solve them simultaneously. So we've got a plus 2d equals 19, and we've got, just change colours, we've got, what was it? It was 10a plus 45d, so I'm multiplying out the bracket, equals 290. Okay, solve them simultaneously. What I'm going to do is multiply the top one by 10. I'll do that in green. Okay, multiply the top one by 10, I get the same amount of a's, don't I? 10a plus 20d equals 190. And then I'm going to subtract. And we're going to get no a's, we're going to get 25 d's equals 100. Oh, that equals in very good. So d equals 4. Okay, once I've got d equals 4, I can then go back. Actually, I don't need to change the colour. I can then go back. I'm going to substitute d equals 4 into this one for argument's sake. I could go into the other one as well, but this top one's easy. So a plus 2d, so a plus 8 equals 19, and therefore a equals 11. Right, so I've got a and I've got d. There's d, there's a. Okay, now then, final bit, and this is answering the actual question, is this part here. What is the 10th term of the sequence? Now, I'm going to be using this formula again. So U10 is a, and we've just worked out what a is, 11 plus n minus 1, so that's 10 minus 1, times d, which is 4. And so therefore the 10th term is going to be, what was it? It was 47, that was it. Okay. Now then, this a plus n minus 1d, okay, is essentially the nth term, all right, of a normal sequence that you've been finding nth terms for since year 7 or 8 or whatever it is. Okay, so there you go. Pretty straightforward. Like I say, you're going to have to form simultaneous equations and things like that. But actually break it down into little bits. It's not too chewy.